Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that you might encounter with your USB Ethernet adapter. Picture this. You used to rely on your trusty adapter for all your networking needs, but one day, after unplugging it and deleting the network service by mistake, it just refuses to work when you plug it back in. Frustrating, right? But fear not, we have a solution for you. In this case, the solution lies in the Network Preference panel on your Mac. Simply navigate to the panel, click on Add Service, and voila! You'll have your network service created for the adapter again. Sometimes it's the simplest things that can fix complex problems, don't you think? Now, to sum it all up, remember that the key to getting your USB Ethernet adapter back up and running is to add the network service back in the Network Preference panel. And with that, we've reached the end of our little troubleshooting session. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay tech savvy, and see you next time.